Now from the News 3 studios, this is Local Living.
Welcome to Local Living. I'm your host, Nicole Reynolds. Joining me today is CEO of askROI and Executive Chairman of Ault Alliance, Todd. Ault, thanks for being back with me today.
Happy to be here.
All right, so we say it all the time, artificial intelligence, AI, it's coming. You have this product called askROI. What kind of an AI tool is this?
Well, I would first say to everybody watching that they have to understand that this is the fourth industrial revolution. This is the most transformative time in our life when it comes to what's real and what's not real. And if I were everyone, I'd be very afraid. I would be incredibly afraid. And the way you solve that problem is get yourself educated, right? And AI is coming in a big way. It's going to affect every industry. It's going to affect every employee. It's going to affect all your productivity. If I were a lawyer and a law firm, I'd be concerned about AI because it's transformative. People probably know about ChatGPT and they put stuff in there and stuff comes out immediately, but that is nothing compared to what's coming. What's coming is everything you do being in AI, whether it's facial recognition, whether it's producing a newscast, whether the newscast is real or not. And so askROI is a product that allows you to manage your own data. The current AI products, you share all your data with the public. So when you go to ChatGPT, they can see everything you're saying, right? Everything you're asking. With askROI.com, we give you your own AI model and your data is yours. So I know you have a child. Every picture of your child could be in there. Every time you went anywhere, medical records, everything, every bill you've ever had, we can connect it to your Intuit, your Quicken. We can know everything about you, which means you know everything about you. You can ask it any question. Hey, what did I pay? What was my deductible back then? Give me the medical records for my son or daughter at this time. As a business, it's transformative because we can connect all your tools, all your software, everything you have about your business, all your financials, your insurance, everything, your real estate, into one program that tells you everything instant at your fingertips. We think of it like a data analyst that works for you, that never sleeps, never misses work, is always up 24/7 and gives you an answer in less than 15 seconds.
Definitely something to be afraid of, but this is where the education comes in because they say it's the people who know how to use AI that's who you really should be afraid of because they're the ones that are just gonna, you put this to the best use. And what's your background when it comes to AI?
Well, my background is as an investor. I've been working on Wall Street for 34 years and I've invested in all kinds of technologies. I remember a time when someone came to me and said, I want to get $10 million because I want to create the ability to deliver food over the internet. And I thought they were crazy. Why wouldn't I just call Pizza Hut? But yet now we have a DoorDash and Uber Eats, right? And so I've learned to embrace these changes as a technology, and we happen to partner with a company called Meetkai, who's built the askROI model. And Meetkai, by James Kaplan and Wei Li Dai, she's a woman who built a $50 billion semiconductor business. And she's identified these AI products, and we've teamed up with them to bring it to market.
Now, 4 minutes is just not enough time to really dive into all of this, and we are running out of time. But if any of our viewers want to learn more about askROI, what's the best way to do that?
Well, I think you go to askROI.com and you put in there your information, and we'll tell you about our pilot programs and when it launches for the public that anyone can use it. But you can always text ROI to 26786, 26786, type in ROI, and you'll get on our list. We'll keep you informed about what things that are happening on. You can always go to ToddAult.com. I answer all my emails.
I love it. Todd, thank you so much for being back with me today. It's been a pleasure.
That was the fastest 4 minutes ever.
I told you.
It blows by like that.
So we need AI to make time last a little bit longer.
Exactly.
Thanks for being with me today.
Good to see you.
And thank you everyone at home for watching Local Living. We'll see you next time.